So you know how they say that practice makes perfect? Well, I really believe that perfect practice makes perfect. There's a research scientist by the name of Alan Richardson. He actually created an experiment, and he gathered a group of basketball players and divided them in 3 groups. And he tested their ability to shoot free throws. The first group, they were only allowed to practice for 20 minutes a day. The second group were only allowed to practice with their mind. The third group were not allowed to do any practice at all, neither physically nor mentally. So the results were astounding. The third group sucked. And the second group, they found that they were actually good, as good or better than the group that actually practiced. So can you imagine if you actually combined practicing with your body, physically, and practicing with your mind, what kind of results that would give you?